And it's time for you to get some practice. We've got yet another exercise. By now you probably know how these work. In this video, I'll introduce the different prompts, the questions, challenges, whatever parts of the exercise, whatever you want to call them. And then in the next video, I'll walk through how I would come up with the solutions. So the first piece here, this is all using our books data set, very simple data set. Write a query that results in this output. So this is all of the book titles that contain stories. So, you know, what we talk about when we talk about love stories, where I'm calling from, selected stories, Oblivion, stories. So you'll need to use one of the operators we very recently covered. Then find the longest book. Now, in the next section, we're actually going to learn an easier way to find the maximum and minimum and average and sum. But for now, when it comes to finding the longest or the maximum number of pages, you'll have to combine two of the concepts we saw in this section. You'll need to find a way to sort and a way to limit the number of results that we get. So that's a hint, I guess, or really that's a spoiler. And then part 3, print a summary. So call it summary. That's important, just part of the exercise. Use an alias. Print a summary containing the title and year for the 3 most recent books. So our summary looks like this. The title, a space, dash, space, and then the year. So you'll need to use some way of combining those pieces of information together. We've seen that a couple sections ago. But I only want the 3 most recent summaries based off of the year. Then find all the books with an author last name that contains a space character. And I think it's just Foster Wallace for that last name. Don't cheat and select based off of Foster Wallace. Do it based off of containing a space. And then print out the title and author last name. Then find the 3 books that have the lowest stock quantity. So 12, 12, and 23. And I want you to select the title, year, and stock quantity. Next up, print the title and author last name, sorted first by the author last name, and then also sorted by the title. Remember how we can sort by multiple columns, one after another. So there's that. And then this one, I would like you to make this table or make this output happen. Call it yell as an alias. And what we have here is the text in all caps. My favorite author is, and then an author, and then an exclamation points for every single author. And then we're sorting alphabetically by last name. And I believe that is it before we move on to some really fun stuff next section, aggregate functions, but we're not there yet. Go ahead, please try this exercise, pause on each one of these, or just open the slides yourself, try them out, and if you want to watch me do it, or if you need a solution, watch the next video. I'll try not to put you to sleep. I'll see you then.